In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the bottom left corner. Then hit while using the app in the pop-up. Select Agree in the second one. And start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To switch it on or off whenever you want to, click on this microphone at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!